Modeling versus sculpting, eh? Oh boy. There are a few confusing terms in 3D. One of them being the term of modeling versus sculpting. Oh wait, before we continue, please click that subscribe button quickly. We can't continue until you do. Okay, for modeling. Modeling is the general term. There are a lot of ways and styles to make a 3D object. One of the ways is called sculpting. It uses the computer to simulate a ball of clay and kind of allows you to make your objects as if you were playing with Play-Doh. It's actually pretty nice. It's really interesting actually, and it feels more artistic. The problem with it though is that sculpting starts you off with an extremely high poly model, which is practically impossible to animate with. It's good to understand both, and there are many ways that you could use your sculptures. I'll explain this more in depth next time.